Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to CitizenAY, the platform where we speak truth to power. Ladies and gentlemen, it's good to have you on board. June 12th is just around the corner. You can see behind me. Can you see behind me? Can you see? That's June 12th behind me. I've got the Oduduwa, Yoruba Nation and Biafra flag together. So our Biafran brothers and Oduduwa and Yoruba Nation people will be swimming together and we'll be walking together. We'll be protesting even together on June 12th. So please be there. We will be bringing in the usual things. We've got flags, t-shirts. I will be taking a picture of what we'll be bringing, and we'll be selling t-shirts on the day. So please do come. If you want to buy a t-shirt, it's £20. If a flag on the day is also £20. Caps are £15. A small flag is £5. And we'll put it on a little small table so that people can buy it on the day. Now, what I'm doing here is to show you. So please, let's make sure we attend. If you want a cap, it's £15. This shirt is £20, and we're happy to sell that to you. Sell that to you on the day. Or you can buy it online and get in touch with myself on 447399580606. Let me just make sure I've got that information on here. I want to make sure that information is on the screen, so bear with me whilst I quickly put that up there. I thought I had. Let me just see. Let me just go in here. 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay, so you will see that number come up. There you go. I know it's a number you will all be familiar with now. I'll just leave that. Let me see, make it at the bottom somewhere so that you can see it. So there. Now, properties. 1 second, please. Sorry, just want to just make 1 or 2 subtle changes to it. It does make it, to make it easier for people to see the entire numbers. So here we go. Okay. So you've got that there. One more thing. There's always a little thing you have to do somehow. Okay. So that's the number scrolling across the bottom. Now, what you see before you right now is myself in the swimming pool. You will see there's a sign at the bottom on the red. It says, I will be swimming for Yoruba Nation on the 22nd of August between 2 and 4 p.m. I'll be swimming 3,000 meters. It's a 3,000 meters swim. That's to put it in context, it's 150 laps in the pool. In the 20-meter pool, it is 150 laps that I'll be doing, and that will take me between an hour and 15 to an hour and 30 minutes, depending on how good how fast I'm going. So at this point, I want to tell you all why I do the swim. There's a reason, and I swim backwards. So the thing is, you will see the video when I play it, you will see that I'm swimming backwards. So it's very important that you see that. I'm going to just move this here so you can see it. I don't want it to be in the way of what we're trying to show you. So you will see from what you can see now that, I swim backwards. It's something I had to teach myself following a car crash. I've had a disc removed from my back. I've got metal plates. I can't swim forwards because if I do, every time I lift my head, I'll be jarring my metal plates because it's got screws. I've got screws in my back, which they had to screw in because once you take the disc out, they have to put metal, wire mesh, and bony tissue together and metal plates to put it, to make it, to make me able to stand upright. Yeah, it's there. But what I found is that to go swimming and do hydrotherapy is the best option for me in terms of relieving the pain because I'm always in pain. But anyway, that's just to give you a bit of background. So anyway, so when they said to me start swimming, I happened to run into this surgeon, a retired surgeon. I said, look, yeah, you'll have to go swimming. That would help relieve the pain a little bit. It won't solve it, but it'll help. And I suggest even that little help will be great difference. You'll feel it if you'll notice it, that it helps. So please, I suggest you go and swim. But I don't swim backwards, even if it's floating, she said. And I thank her till this day. I thank her for, for her suggestion, because I took that advice on, and I started teaching myself how to swim backwards. Firstly, I could float. I could swim before. No shame. I had to learn swimming later on in life. But I learned it, and here we are. We're now trying to do this. It was, yeah. So it was good to have done that, to be able to actually, to pick it up. And it's you're never too late. What am I saying? You're never too late to learn how to swim. And for disabled people, I'm disabled because of this pain, because I can't walk fast. That's why you see me in the mobility scooter, which it's disguised cleverly. The one I use is cleverly disguised, so you wouldn't look at it as a mobility scooter. It's kind of cool. I kind of like that. I can't walk fast, so when I'm on that scooter, I can tag along with people that can be part of a conversation. I can be part of, I don't feel that people have to be pushing me. It gives you a certain level of independence. Same thing with the swimming. When I go swimming, when I'm swimming, I don't feel the pain because of the buoyancy of the water. I don't feel there's no impact, nothing like that at all. It is really liberating, and it frees me. As soon as I finish the swimming, though, it's back. This swimming, I really want to, as a disabled person, I'm speaking of for disabled people. In Contraction, Nigeria, disabled people have gone through a lot. Not only disabled people, everybody, but particularly the system has never taken care of disabled people. So at this point, I want to try and make sure that we form part of that entire nation going forward, that the issues of disabled people and people who have got all medical issues are dealt with, and of course, as a people, as a human being, you must be taken care of. So because I did the swimming, then an idea came to my mind to say, look, okay, we need to raise funds. What's the best thing I can do to help that? So I thought, okay, I'm going to swim 3,000 meters. And that's exactly what happened. I decided to say, okay, that's why we're doing this promotion right now. I've been in touch with one or two people about that, and it's exciting. What we want to do is to make sure that we are able to, encourage people to, do whatever they can. Whatever is your talent, do it for Yoruba Nation. Do anything to keep Yoruba Nation, begin to put Yoruba Nation name in there, out there in the public, so that it's in the consciousness of people, so that it's real. It's every day we do that. Every day we do things like this kind of charity swim that I'm planning. We're giving it more life. We're giving life to Yoruba Nation. So I'm donating. I'm giving. I'm going to swim 3,000 meters. That's what I can do to try and make sure we highlight the need for Yoruba Nation, and also encourage people to donate to the account that is accompanying this this promotion. Now, I'm going to play your video. You will see me in the video. That's me there swimming backwards, and I'll talk through it. But have a look at it. I'll be doing this. And by the way, I've been doing training. So I've opted from 30 laps to 40 laps. I'm now doing 52 laps every 3 day and every day. Not every day, 3 days a week. I do 53 laps 3 days a week. It helps to ease my pain. Plus I do the hydrotherapy, and then of course when I finish, I do jacuzzi and all that to help me keep my ease the pain a little bit. So with that in mind, please watch this video, and I will continue on with the broadcast. Here goes. Brilliant. So I'm going to play one more time. I want to try and make sure that you have that information close to hand, because the filming is very, very good, but I want to make sure that you can see me fully. So I'm changing the camera, the viewing. So here goes. One more time. Brilliant. So there we have it. So that's me. So what I'll be doing on the day is what I've just given you a demonstration. I hope you like the demonstration. It's a self-taught swimming technique. This is a technique that I taught myself. Nobody taught me how to do this. I taught myself how to do it because I knew I needed to do something. Many of you will know I used to be a big guy. Let's see if I have a picture somewhere that I can show you. So I'm trying to inspire you and to make you know that nothing impossible is nothing. Let's see if I can find a picture which I can actually get to you. Let's do this. I'm going to do this right now. Okay, so you will see a picture now. 1 second. I'm just going to, as I'm doing it now, something just came up and I thought it's good to actually connect it. So you can see the old me and the new me. And that's something that I hope will inspire you to do something. We can all do this. It is not impossible. It just needs commitment and belief, the same belief that we're putting towards Yoruba Nation. Once you take on things like this, you will find that you will find the energy from somewhere to achieve this goal. So I'm going to put that picture somewhere. You will see it come up in a minute. Let me just try and so let's see if I can get this one here. Okay, so anyway, so that's that there. And let me just pull that away. 1 second, I'll be back in a minute. I'm just trying to get something done. So you will see it come up, but don't worry. Just bear with me. I'm just going to get you the picture that I've just shown you now. Let's see. So, okay. Now, let's go and look at that. Okay, let's have a look at this. It should be there. So yeah, what we're trying to do is we want all to please support this. It's very important that we do so. It's going to happen on the 22nd of August. I'm giving myself enough training time so I can be able to make sure I accomplish it, and that is why you see it now. 1 second, you will see the picture come up in a minute. Okay, no. 1 second, I'm just gonna move it across so you can see the before and after effect. And it's really important that we nothing impossible is nothing. Literally, trust me, it's nothing. We set our goal, set our mind to what we want to achieve, and we will achieve it. It's not even a question of maybe there's no let no doubt even creep into your mind at all about what your goals are, So let me okay, in fact it's here. So I'm going to bring this back and you will see that picture. Hey presto, that's me. Let's see. Yeah, so you can see that is me. That's the old me. I'm going to try and see if I can. So you can see that's the old me on the left, and that's the new me. It took me a while. It took me 2 years to get it done. I had to change my eating habits. I had to change everything. I had to stop taking all those medications. I had to, manage this mentally, physically to try and really get control. Because when I was snoring like crazy, the shaking the whole house, my health was really feeling on top of the chronic pain. So every step I took was painful. It's still painful now, but it is much. I'm in control of that situation because of the swimming 2 or 3 times a week, and of course now I'm able to now do this swim, which I'm going to try and do again because the longer I'm in the pool, I don't feel any pain. Because the water becomes a cushion, and I do the exercise. So you can even see there's a little bit of a tummy, muscles and things there, which is yeah. I'm comfortable, happy. Let me drop this down so you can see that picture better. So there you go. So I wanted you to see. So it's important. The reason I'm doing this is to show you that we can achieve a lot. All we need is really self-belief. And I believed in myself that I could do this. I didn't let anything tell me, oh no, you can't do this. No, I didn't. No. So and that's what has been the motivating factor for me. So please watch. I want you to look out. I want you to help us donate. I've got the account number pinned onto the thing here. You can see that on the screen, rolling across the screen. When you watch the broadcast, you will see the number, the account numbers in there, and I will try and pin it on top of the broadcast of this video when it goes live. I'll be releasing it later on. Please don't forget, June 12, very important. Let me see if I can get 1 or 2 things I want to show you that we'll be bringing on the day. We'll be bringing mics. Let me see, have I got one? We'll be bringing mics on the day. I will see. We'll be bringing mics on the day. Sorry, beg your pardon. I'm trying to just get the mic for you that will be present, making an appearance on the day. Let's see. Anyway, I think I should probably take it down anyway, so you have it. So you see the mic that's going to work, and I'm going to put it in so you know that what we're saying, we're not joking at all. We don't joke. We don't joke at all. So the mic is going to make an appearance now. Just give me a minute. I'll plug it in for you. I should have done this before, but I wasn't thinking in this manner. But that's for June 12th. But please, on the day of this, I will try and see if I can film this live on the day of the swim, which is going to be 22nd of August. 22nd of August, 2021, 2 to 4 p.m. I'll be doing more broadcasts about it, but I want to show you what we'll be doing on the 2nd. On the 2nd, we have the mic. We'll be bringing the flag as well. I've got the flag, flags for sale. 1 2 1 2 testing 1 2 testing 1 2. Ẹ jẹ́ ká relé ilé là ń lọ, àgbẹ̀ kan rókó kó gbàgbé ilé. Bí a kò bá mọ bí a ń lọ, ṣe ló yẹ ká padà sílé. Ẹ jáwọ́ nínú àpọ̀n tí kò yọ, ẹ jẹ́ á gbómi lákaná. Iléyá o, iléyá, 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 iléyá o, iléyá, iléyá, iléyá. Bí a kò bá mọ bí a ń rè, ṣe ló yẹ ká padà sílé. Ẹ jáwọ́ nínú àpọ̀n tí kò yọ, ẹ jẹ́ ká gbómi lákaná. Iléyá, iléyá, iléyá o, iléyá, iléyá, iléyá. So that's the mic. So I'm just testing it out there for you all to see what we're doing. I'll switch it off now so you can. I don't want to keep it. I'm just keeping. This is things that we're doing. So we'll be bringing that. We're bringing the flags. Our Biafran brothers will also be there. But please watch out for this swim. 22nd of August 2021 from 2 to 4 p.m. I'll endeavor to bring pictures, and if we can do live filming, we will try and do that also. But very, very important. One more time, let me show you the the video, so that people can, I mean, it is something that is good, and it's me doing it. So sorry, 1 minute. So you'll see it come up now. So here we go, and here we go now. So let's do that one more time, then I'll wrap this up. So here we go. So that's me swimming. I'm going to move this up there because I don't want it to block your view of me swimming, so you can get a full picture. So that's me in my pool, and I did this earlier on today. I did 52 laps in the pool. So that's 1,000 meters. So I'll be doing 3 times as much on the day, which is going to take me over an hour. So but we'll get there. So it will be done, and we'll be pushing more. What we need to do is to believe in Yoruba Nation, and swimming for Yoruba Nation is what I believe. It's a motivating factor for myself, and I hope we will urge you to donate to the account numbers that you see scrolling across the screen, and you will see it on top of the broadcast as well. And also ask yourself, what can you do for Yoruba Nation? Ask yourself that question. What can you do for Yoruba Nation? What can you do for Yoruba Nation? So, ladies and gentlemen, with that said, we'll see you on the June 12th in Trafalgar Square, London. All of us are all coming. There's no one leader. All of us are all responsible for that. We want it to happen. Biafrans will be there, Yoruba will be there, and we'll make our way to Downing Street as well. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching. Oh, sorry, one more thing. Let me play this video one more time. Read it. So with that said, I thank you all for watching this video. Please, when you get this video, please do watch and share with family and friends, and let them know. I'm doing this. It's a charity swim. I would probably play it during one of my live broadcasts on various platforms, CitizenAY, Oduduwa TV Radio, and other platforms. And please do share as well. We want as many people as possible to get this information, to share it, because what we want to do is we need to raise funds. Whatever you can do to raise funds, go ahead and do it. Provide the account number, provide details, be certain that all of this is for Yoruba Nation, to make sure that we get the funds together and be able to use it to help our people on ground. People are being killed every day. Don't be a bystander. Rather than this is something worthwhile that you can do. Think of what you can do for Yoruba Nation. Think of what you can do for Yoruba Nation. And if you all did something for Yoruba Nation, it will be that much better for all of us together. Thank you very much. I'm going to try and I will translate it when I'm talking about this on later on other platforms and things. But for now, please do share this podcast. You're watching CitizenAY, the platform where we speak truth to power. Please watch, share, and please donate. Thank you very much, and goodbye.